Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, and one of them is the slow motion. We have also super slow motion, so you can pick whatever you need. Now let me stay on the standard one. By just tapping on it, we get access to it, and we can start recording this kind of video now by tapping simply on this big button at the center, the shutter. So let me start to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button. To see the video, let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.